Congratulations on completing the course. Let's recap some of the highlights of what we have learned. So, we learned how to set up App Inventor 2 for development. We learned extensively about our App Inventor 2 UI. That includes our components editor and blocks editor and how they work together when we are creating applications. We learned about a whopping 31 components and how they work together to help us create awesome applications in App Inventor 2. We learned how to create various layouts for our applications, including simple layouts, complex layouts, and everything in between. We learned about file types that are associated with App Inventor 2 and Android. We learned about various application concepts such as hotspots, parsing, and passing data between screens. We learned how to use and create gestures. We learned about two fundamental blocks that are keystones to programming. Those were our procedure and our variable blocks. We learned how to use trigonometry to rotate images. We learned the fundamentals of programming. We learned how to publish and update an application on the Google Play Store. And last but certainly not least, we learned how to create 10 real-world applications from start to finish, including a game, drawing application, and a timer. So let me pull open those 10 applications real quick. So check this out, guys. We completed every single one of these. So now the real question here is, where do we go from here, right? So now that we learned all that stuff, and honestly, we didn't even recap half of it. We learned so much stuff, I just tried to pull the highlights. So where should we go from here? Well, I recommend that you guys try and draft up a concept for an application, or if you already have one, draft it up. So draw it on a piece of paper, the layout and everything, and try and create that application from start to finish in App Inventor 2. You will learn so much from doing that, right? So try and do that as many times as you can, and I guarantee you'll be an expert in making apps in App Inventor 2 in no time. So also, if when we were doing the blocks, your interest was piqued in programming and you thought to yourself, hey, if this is how programming is, maybe this would be kind of cool. Well, I also have a website I want you guys to check out. That's python.org. So this is a programming language. And if you check it out, you might find that, when learning this application, we actually experienced a lot of, what programmers already do. So be sure to check this out if your guys' interest is piqued in programming. So that's going to do it for this video, guys. Congratulations once again. I'll see you in the next video.